Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with essentials. Make sure the Facebook app or browser is updated and you're logged in. Once done, open Facebook and tap the menu icon. This begins the change. If you're on desktop, load Facebook. Calm and look for your profile or the downward arrow in the top right. Make sure notifications or extensions won't block settings. Now that you're in the main menu, we'll navigate into display options to locate dark mode controls and apply the theme. Next, open Settings and Privacy, then choose Display and Accessibility. This is where Facebook groups display settings. You'll see dark mode with options, on, off, or use system setting. Pick on to force dark theme regardless of OS. On desktop, click the profile arrow, select Display and Accessibility, then toggle dark mode. Once switched, watch the app UI shift to darker colors, reducing glare. If you prefer automatic behavior, select Use System setting so Facebook follows your device's night mode. After toggling dark mode, confirm the change across core pages, home, profile, and settings to ensure consistency. If it doesn't apply, refresh the browser or force close and reopen the app. That often resolves cache issues. If you chose Use System setting and it still looks light, verify your device's night mode is enabled. As a last resort, update or reinstall the app to clear stubborn bugs. Tip: if dark mode won't stick, clear app cache before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.